Respected Chair, I rise to move that the National Commission for Indian System of Medicine Amendment Bill 2021 be taken into consideration.
प्रश्न है कि विधेयक पर विचार की
Sir, the Indian Medicine Central Council Act 1970 was amended by the Indian Medicine Central Council Amendment Act 2020 for supersession of the Central Council of Indian Medicine and for constitution of Board of Governors to exercise the power and perform the function of the Central Council of Indian Medicine. The said act came into force retrospectively on the 24th day of April 2020. As per the provision of Section 3A of the said Act 2020, 10 members have been nominated by the Ministry of Ayush as members of the Board of Governors to the Central Council of Indian Medicine. Sir, in the meantime, the National Commission for Indian System of Medicine Bill 2020 was passed by the Rajya Sabha on 18 March 2020. The bill was further passed in the Lok Sabha on 18 September 2020 and was published in the Official Gazette of India as the National Commission for Indian System of Medicine Act 2020 on 21st September 2020. As per the provision of the National Commission, the Indian System of Medicine Act 2020, the process of constitution of the Commission, Advisory Council and the Autonomous Board was under active consideration by the Ministry. Subsequently, the Indian Medicine Central Council Act 1970 and the Central Council of Indian Medicine was to be superseded. Sir, but as the tenure of the Board of Governors was coming to an end on 23rd April 2021 and the Commission could not be constituted, the existing tenure of Board of Governors Central Council of Indian Medicine was further extended for another 1 year by the Indian Medicinal Central Council Amendment Ordinance 2021 so that National Commission could be constituted and made functional. Accordingly, the National Commission for Indian System of Medicine was constituted on 11 June 2021 and subsequently the Indian Medicine Central Council Act 1970 and the Central Council of Indian Medicine was superseded and dissolved respectively. Ministry of Law and Justice advised that a saving clause needs to be incorporated in the National Commission of Indian System of Medicine Act 2020 in order to save the action done, decision made, liability incurred by the Board of Governors constituted as per the provisions of Indian Medicine Central Council Amendment Ordinance 2021. Sir, accordingly, a note for the Cabinet along with the bill, namely the National Commission for Indian System of Medicine Amendment Bill 2020 was approved by the Cabinet on 4th of August 2021. The bill intends to save the action done, decision made, liability incurred by the Board of Governors constituted as per the provision of the Indian Medicine Central Council Amendment Ordinance 2021. With this submission, sir, I request through you the Honorable August House to pass the bill. Thank you, sir.